So where are the saved messages, the voice messages going on the iPhone? Let me explain that and show you how it works. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the tutorials and more videos like this one. Of course, so if you send a voice message over iMessage on the iPhone, what you're going to do is to hold down on it and perform some things to it. Like you can see right away that we have the ability to click on a save to voice memos. And if you tap on that, it will basically still keep it a part of the message conversation, but it will also save it in an app which is called Voice Memos. It should definitely be part of your iPhone to begin with. It's made by Apple and it's naturally the place where you can record your voice or other things. So you basically just move it or copy it from the messages and make it show up right there where you can perform some more changes to it. So that is the first place where the voice message can be saved, right? But if you hold down on the other type of voice message, which is not going to look like this with a play icon, but it's going to be like an actual attached audio file. When you hold down on it, you can see that upon clicking on more and then clicking on the share thing, you have the ability to share it over to some other place, right? So it depends specifically on where you want to put it, but you can see that when you click on share, you have the ability to save it to the files or, use some other method of sharing, for example, over AirDrop to your Mac computer or iPad, for example, or you can copy and paste it somewhere else. And as well use any of the sharing apps which are available. So that would be up to you to decide where exactly you save it if it's a specific audio file. So I hope it makes sense. I tried to explain it the best I could. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.